News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, our upper low is here and everything is spinning around it. So tonight we're going to have these snow showers kind of spinning around and rain showers. And then as we get into tomorrow and tomorrow night, all this you see, this will pivot around. So we're looking at periodic snow tonight, lasting through tomorrow into tomorrow night, and then slowly tapering down somewhat once we get into Thursday. But in the meantime, we've got a bit of rain with a few wet snowflakes mixing in here at the TV station, but other places it is snowing, though. Rain reported at the Purdue Airport. Clinton County Airport's got rain. Kokomo, Grissom, and Logansport all rain, but we've got snow and visibility at a mile at Rochester. It's snowing at Winamac and snowing at Monticello, and this is all moving backward, if you will, moving to the west. We've also got some light snow up around Morocco, and it's up here in parts of Newton and Jasper County, and even parts of Pulaski County. We've had an inch of snow accumulation so far tonight. Here you see some of the darker blues coming into Fulton County right now. That is accumulating snow. So everybody will eventually go over to snow, but it's going to take some time. And eventually all this will pivot in too, and we'll get some accumulation from that. Tonight, though, temperature is pretty close to freezing. And as a result of that, I think the snow won't stick that well on the roads once it does change over. So that's the good thing, and the February sun angle will help tomorrow too with 34 degrees with some of the periodic snow around. Another thing is the wind. You know, tonight our winds have calmed down because the low pressure, the upper low, is almost overhead. So we've had some fog develop and it's pretty calm, but the winds will start to kick up later on tonight through the day tomorrow. And notice some of the gusts once we get into late tomorrow, gusting to 30 miles an hour around 4 to about 6 p.m. With the periodic snow around. Okay, Futurecast, there's 8 a.m. Notice it's still pitting a lot of rain around. This is going to be snow. Periodic snow right through the day. Notice the clock up here. There's 7 p.m. tomorrow night. Again, periodic snow around, kind of pivoting in from the west and the northwest. It'll be with us even as we get into tomorrow night. And then once we get into Thursday, it'll tend to taper off somewhat. Notice as we get into late Thursday, just some flurries and a few scattered snow showers around. But by Thursday, 1 to 3 inches will just about do it for everyone. Way up north, Morocco, DeMont, Roselawn, perhaps Monterey, and near Rochester, 3 to 5 possible. And boy, get used to the kind of cold, raw weather hanging on around here. You know, we should be in the 40s as we start March. We're going to hang out in the 30s, a few flurries Saturday, and then once we get towards early next week, may have at least some minor accumulating snow Tuesday and or Wednesday of next week with highs, only around 33 degrees. And it's going to stay pretty raw right up to about March the 8th. And then, boy, once we get towards the 12th, big warm up on the way. I think we're going to see some really spring-like weather at that point. But up to that point, not so good.
Definitely, and March is just around the corner, but it certainly does not feel like it.
I'm going to come in like a lion, and it feels more like January, that's for sure.
Okay, thank you so much, Chad.
Sure.
Coming up in sports, Mike Cleff has the scoop on the first round of boys basketball sectionals.